Okay, let's talk about cleaning your washing machine. I know this sounds crazy because your washing machine cleans clothes, but how often do you clean your washing machine? So they say you should do this once a month. You can do this using things you have in your home right now. So you fill your washer with the hottest water at the top capacity. You add a quart of vinegar, you let it sit for an hour, and you finish the cycle. You then go back through with baking soda and everything, all the grime that the vinegar has loosened, you do a cycle using baking soda. Now, if this is too much work for you, you can also buy a product called Affresh, A-F-F-R-E-S-H, and it's like a little tablet, like a Tide Pod, and it will do the cleaning for you. So 2 easy ways to keep your washer clean and fresh and running longer. And don't forget, if you have a top load, you want to keep it open between washes, and if you have a front load, you do want to keep it slightly open as well.